Hello everybody. On YouTube I'm called Matthew. On Facebook I'm called Matthew. Now I was kind of putting off doing this video because airport and airline didn't that I well like let me draw you a picture. Last year I went to the States. And coming back was interesting to say the least. Because like our plane had like a 4 to 6 hour layover in Washington. Now I don't know if it's Washington DC or Washington State. The travel agent never clarified. All I know is it seemed like bloody forever. And then when we did make it onto the plane, it was so small you could barely move. Like they were packing us in like sardines. But there are two areas. One area for people with disabilities and special needs, which was nice. And another area for like general passengers and people who don't need all this special attention. I don't know, but I'm just not big on being packed in there like a sardines. I'm not sure what airline or what company it was, but I don't know about that.